Yup, you are seeing this right. ChatGPT 4, 4.1, ChatGPT Turbo, even the new ChatGPT 4o, all unlocked and working totally free. And I didn't pay even a single cent. Wanna know how? Just stick around and I am about to show you the exact step-by-step process that will work both on laptop as well as mobile phone. Before diving, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to ITeePK, where we turn tech secrets into a simple wins. So let's go. Go to your computer and type OXAAM. Press enter. On the Google, this will open the oxaam.com website. Here, let's quickly register your name, email. Please enter your WhatsApp number. Now, let's go ahead and enter the password. We are ready to register. Once you get login free, you could see at the top, click here to activate ChatGPT Plus. Let's go ahead and click here to get ChatGPT Plus. The process is defined here. We wanna copy chatgpt.com. Let's open up a new tab and here we wanna enter chatgpt.com. And the next step, we want to log in. Let's go ahead and copy the email that is given here. I have copied that. Continue. Now let's go ahead, copy the password. Let's enter here and click on continue. Now it's asking for one-time code. If a verification code is requested, use the link below. Let's click on this link and we got the verification code here. Just copy the latest verification code and paste it here, and before it get expired, click on continue. And here you go. We got ChatGPT for totally free. We could create images, brainstorm our ideas, summarize text, analyze data, get advice, and many more. So in the next step, let me show you how to get ChatGPT 4 totally free on the mobile phone. Open up any browser on your phone. In the browser, please type OXAAM. Let's go to this name and open the first URL, OXAAM. Let's go ahead and quickly register here. ITeePK. Email, WhatsApp number. In the next step, let's enter the password. Okay, we are ready to register. Once I got registered here, I can see click here to activate ChatGPT Plus. When I click on this option, I got the details below. What I want, let's go ahead and open another tab. We don't want to interrupt the current tab. In this tab, let's go to chatgpt.com. I want to click on login. Again, login. Here, I want to put the username and the password that I got from Oxam. Let's paste the email. Continue. Now let's go back and we want to get the password. Let's copy. Okay. And let's paste the password here and we want to click on continue. Now here, if you click on ChatGPT, we got a latest models totally free. At the top you could see GPT-4o, GPT 4.5, o3, o4 mini, o4 mini high, GPT 4.1 and GPT 4.1 mini. And let me show you what if we have a ChatGPT application and we want to use these models free in our ChatGPT application. Just go ahead. Okay, I want to click on login and I want to log in with their specific OXFam account to the ChatGPT application. Let's go to Chrome. Let's go back here, copy the email. I want to paste the email here. I'm ready to continue. Let's go back and get the password. Okay, let's paste the password and click on continue. In the app, just go to menu of ChatGPT and change OXAM account from personal to oxam.com. And here we can verify that we have GPT-4, GPT 4.5, or 3 and all latest models totally free. Just a heads up, there might be some limits like slow speed or feature access. in getting it free. If this helped, like, subscribe to ITPK and drop a comment if you have got any questions. Catch you in the next one.